Looking for a Nadan Kerala Chayakkada that still feels like old days? Welcome back to Served Since, where we explore Kerala's oldest eateries and the stories they've been serving for generations. This time, we are at Hotel Brothers in Bharananganam, one of Kerala's oldest Nadan chayakkadas. The eatery traces its roots back nearly 140 years, though it has been run by the current owner and his family for over 3 decades. Step inside and it feels like a trip to another era. Wooden benches, weathered walls, and the unmistakable charm of a traditional Kerala Chayakkada, the kind that's becoming harder to find. No wonder people keep coming back. Daily wage workers, college students, young couples, and travelers all find a place at these tables.
രാവിലെ ദോശ, പൊറോട്ട, ഇഡ്ഡലി, അപ്പം, ഇടിയപ്പം എല്ലാ ഐറ്റങ്ങളും ഉണ്ട്. കറി, മുട്ടക്കറി, ബീഫ്, കടല, മീൻകറി എല്ലാ വിഭവങ്ങളും നല്ല തിരക്കായിട്ട് പോകുന്നു. 37 വർഷമായിട്ട് സംഭവം ഞാൻ അടുത്തേക്ക് നേരിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്.
Breakfast favorites like dosha, appam and porota draw early crowds. And whatever you order, don't leave without asking for their spicy chili chutney. There's one dish, however, that steals the show: the beef curry. The beef is slow cooked until it's tender enough to pull apart with your fingers, soaking up a rich, flavorful gravy that's packed with roasted spices. Tear off a flaky piece of parotta, scoop up the curry, and you'll understand why this combination has such a loyal following. Come lunchtime, you'll also find Kerala meals: fish curry, fish fry, and beef fry. By evening, the counters fill up with hot snacks like urunnu vada, ulli vada, and ethekka roast, served fresh with tea. The hotel stays open until 7 p.m. Hotel Brothers has also found its way onto the big screen, appearing in films like Malayan Kunya and Pavada. Film crews still approach the owners for a shoot here, but most requests have to be turned down because the restaurant is simply too busy. If you're driving from Pala towards Eratupeta, pass Bharananganam Church and the St. Alphonsa Pilgrim Center. At Bharananganam Junction, take the right turn and continue for about a kilometer to Vilangupara Junction. That's where you'll find Hotel Brothers. Some places survive because they change with the times. At Hotel Brothers, the food is timeless, but it's the nostalgia that keeps people coming back.